Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to share a dashboard in Freshsales. The first thing I want you to do once you're logged into your Freshsales account, here on the left hand panel, I want you to click on this icon. This will take you to your dashboards, and then go ahead and select any dashboard that you want to go ahead and share. Let's say I want to share this dashboard, and then what you do here at the top right, you'll see this icon. This is the share icon. I want you to click on this, and now we can choose options. So if I click on this drop down, I can choose the user I'm sharing it with. What can they do? They can just view it, or can they edit it as well? Can they manage the entire thing? And then you enter the names of the users. You can filter by users, territories, teams as well. I'll click here on users and we'll add tutorialist, this one right here. There you go. You can also make sure everyone gets access by choosing everyone. And then you can click on share. Now these will be the shared users, and at any point in time, you can change their permissions or remove them as well. And that is how to share a dashboard in Freshsales.